Beaks of birds. Strong and curved beaks, the beaks help them to crack nuts and seeds. Examples: parrots, parakeets. Short and hard beak helps to crack open seeds and grains. Examples: sparrow, pigeon, peacock. Strong, sharp and hooked beak for tearing up the flesh. Examples: vulture, eagle, kites, owls. Long and thin beaks to suck nectar from flowers. Examples: hummingbird, sunbirds. Did you know? Hummingbirds stutter their wings around 70 to 80 times in each second. They are only birds that can fly backwards. Broad and flat with holes at the side to take in muddy water with insects and to filter water through holes. Examples: